Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Ka election sitang samoi Hagam Begre constituency kalanang kloit pat nang songshit hadien ke jingthap kerteng jong ki kertong na ki seng sang perthai per ki wala pin kre LD pat aireng hakani ki election ka ban salong ha ka khatlai tarik nai weng araja upsa ha ka upsa tarik risa araja upsa u kertong jong ka Indian National Congress u jingjang marak ulalait penthap kerteng khmat returning officer jong ka West Garo Hills District ringkat ke jing senran lang jong ka working president jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ka Deborah Marak bat kinoi lam jong ka seng congress Hagam Begre constituency bat Harilum Garo hagni ke ju asngi ka kertong jong ka National People's Party ka Dr. Mehtab Chandi Sangma kalalait penthap kerteng ringkat ke jing senran lang jong kurem jong ka ukon rat kongkel Sangma ubulong ru menteri rang ba ka jela bat kinoi lam bahakmat jong ka NPP na Harilum Garo
살랭 장마 살랭 장마 아츠가송 등장 마락 등장 마락 감비기